This is exercise 2.5 from chapter 2, polynomials. Today in this video we are going to learn how to solve question number 6. And your question number 6 is, write the following cubes in expanded form. That means the given cube, okay? We have to write the given cube in its expanded form. Now see, your first question is 2x plus 1 whole cube. Now if you check the terms here, your first term is 2x and the second term is 1. That means these two are unlike terms. So we cannot add these two terms, and there is cube. So we have to use identity. We have to use identity in order to write its expanded form. Now let's go back to the algebraic identities and check which identity should be followed in order to solve this question. Okay, now remember students, there are two terms with plus sign in between them and cube is there. So we'll check such identity. Now this is your algebraic identity, and in the left hand side of algebraic identity, in the first identity you have x plus y whole square. So this identity we cannot use in order to solve question number 6. Second identity, it cannot be used. Third also we cannot use. Fourth identity also we cannot use. Fifth identity also we cannot use, because if you check these identities there is square, but we need cube. Okay, so now the next identity is your sixth identity. So in sixth identity you have x plus y whole cube. There are two terms and there is plus sign between them, and there is cube also. That means sixth identity should be used. Okay, so I'll write down using identity 6. I wrote the identity over here, and your sixth identity is x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy within bracket x plus y. Now so students, in this question we are asked to write the expanded form of this cube. Okay, that means we have to expand it, and in order to expand this we should substitute the values of x and y in which side? Is it in the left hand side or in the right hand side? It's in the right hand side. We should substitute the values of x and y in the right hand side. Then only we will be able to get its expanded form. Is it clear? Now let's substitute the values. So first term it's your x. So in place of x, what do we have here? 2x. That means x should be replaced with 2x. And your second term is y. So in place of y, what do we have here? 1. That means y should be replaced with 1. Now let's substitute the values of x and y. So in place of x, this will be 2x and cube is there. Plus in place of y, 1. Plus 3. In place of x, 2x. In place of y, 1. In place of x, 2x, and in place of y, 1. I hope you all understood up to this step. Now after this we have to solve it. Now 2x whole cube, it means 2x into 2x into 2x. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. X into x is x cube. Plus what is 1 cube? 1. Plus 3 2s are 6 and then x. Then inside the bracket, if you check the terms, these are unlike terms, so we cannot add them. Now after this, let's write 8x cube as it is plus 1. Plus, now after this, we should remove these brackets, right? And in order to remove the brackets, we should multiply 2x with 6x and 1 with also 6x. So 6 2s are 12. X into x is x square. Plus 6x into 1 is 6x, right? Now after this, we'll check the terms. Here we have x cube. Now is there any terms which contains x cube? No. Constant term is here. So is there any constant term? No. So in this term we have x square. So is there any terms which contains x square? No. And the last term it's x. So is there any terms which contains x? No. That means these terms are unlike terms. So we cannot further solve this expression. Is it clear? That means this expression becomes the expanded form of 2x plus 1 whole cube. Thank you everyone.